Welcome to the module 4 of the course. Today we are going to discuss about the best anti-aging therapy. This is sleep. Sleep. Sleep is not a rest. Sleep is the repair, especially our hormone repair time. If you think sleep is just a rest, that belief is dangerous. It's the repair time. When you sleep, hormones rebalance, brain detox happens, muscles repair, immunity strengthens. Aging slows down. If sleep was optional, nature would not make us sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Sleep is like a night shift repair team. If they don't come, damage accumulates silently. You cannot compensate poor sleep with coffee, supplements, or motivation.